Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the DNB Biometric login not working. First, check that the biometric login is enabled in the DNB app. Go to the app settings or security settings and make sure that the DNB app's Face ID or Fingerprint is turned on. Restart your phone and open the DNB app again. Temporary glitches can sometimes stop biometric login. Then head over to your App Store or Play Store, search for DNB, and make sure that the app is updated to the latest version. Updating your app ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes, so update it. If the problem continues, disable the biometric login in app and then set it up again following the on-screen instructions. That's how you fix the DNB biometric login not working. Subscribe for more helpful and